You guys might want to let these things cool before you get third-degree burns. Ow!
So I'm back today with another video. Son's 2016 F-150 Lariat comes from the factory with LED headlights, which is cool. But you turn those on, what in the world was Ford thinking? Halogen fog lamps. I mean, come on, guys. I need to fix this, and in a hurry. I reached out to Auxito, my good buddy Jackson over there. Jackson sent me some really cool LED fog lamps that will change the look of this front fascia on the truck. I'm telling you, coming down the road, you're gonna see the cool white and the cool white. Yeah, check this out. Yeah, high quality LED lighting. Okay, so I was gonna take the two flathead screwdrivers and reach in here, try and pop this unit out. It's fairly easy to do that, but I was just looking back here. You reach back, I can feel the bulb right here. So it's pretty straightforward. You don't even have to mess with pulling it out. Just reach back here, twist the bulb, take it out. Be real careful with these, but it is a direct plug and play. So no splicing of wires, no cutting. You reach back up in here, all right, just twist, and it comes completely down, just like that. I did it with one hand. All right, factory, plug and play, Auxito, plug and play. Look at the cooling fins on this thing, guys. Absolutely awesome. Careful. Put it right back up in the fog lamp hole, and you'll just turn it around until you feel it go in and click. Then you'll make it turn to lock in. Did you hear that? Locked right in. All right, so went ahead and swapped out this one right here. Okay, midday sun, guys, very bright out here. That's absolutely incredible, the difference, the bright white versus the dull yellow.
You guys might want to let these things cool before you get third-degree burns. Ow!
It's that easy and that simple, guys. Just plug and play, swap two bulbs out, keep your factory bulbs in the glove box, in tool shed, wherever, toolbox, just in case you ever need a spare bulb. Obviously it's not going to be what these are, but at least you just have them. I always keep old bulbs just for peace of mind. Is this thing on? Hello? You know I'm not gonna let y'all get out of this video without checking out Zeus. That's right, my 2018 Indoraptor. Head on over to the channel page right here. Yep, right there. Check out all of my other videos, most of them revolving around Zeus, just saying. But also we're gonna have many more on my son's 2016 Lariat. So stay tuned. Later, guys.